Hello, I'm in an 2011 Infiniti QX56, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure that your vehicle's on, which this is, and that from your display here, we can do settings, and then we can scroll down to Bluetooth and hit enter. And then there's a limited number of devices you have, so you might need to replace a phone or delete a phone first. But we'll try this. Make sure Bluetooth's on, so I'm going to connect Bluetooth. And then here in connected devices, you should be able to see all of the phones. So there's room for more, so I don't need to delete one necessarily. But if you wanted to, you can enter it and then delete, push enter, yes, and then now there's another spot free. But we'll connect a phone. Yes, we're going to use this interface. So now it's searching, so make sure Bluetooth's on, which this is, and then if you press and hold there, usually it pulls you to a pairing menu for most phones. And as it says up here, we're going to look for My Car. Sometimes it takes a few minutes or a few tries from retrying with your phone or restarting the car, but usually first try will work. So there's My Car, select that, and it did say on the screen a pin of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll tape that, 1, 2, 3, 4, hit OK. And that should be set. And it says up here we're connected. So now you should be able to take phone calls, listen to music, things like that. And especially newer models, you probably can also sync up maps and things like that. But that's it. And then if you're having issues getting to where your music will play, make sure you have the music playing from your phone. And then often if you hit buttons like these aux buttons, if you just keep clicking them, it'll eventually get you to the Bluetooth. But that's it, and then also make sure you have volume on, of course. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.